Thank you, Madam Vice President. The people of Karachuonyo, the family of Judge Designate Harrison, the good people of the wider Nyanza, learned friends, judges. It is a sad day. I say it is a sad day because it takes a minimum of 28 years to train a lawyer. It takes a minimum of 40 years to train a judge. And we sit and stand here today without certainty as to whether we are burying a lawyer or we are burying a judge. And it is sad. And I want you, as the people of Karachuonyo, to note that most of the outcomes we have in bad leadership are as a result of your own choices. Yesterday, I saw you, and I say this with a lot of conviction, cheering leaders who are behind the failure of rule of law and order in this country. I must also condemn some of our judges who, when we come to court to seek reprieve, when judges have not been sworn in, they end up giving an order in favor of the people who have refused to take the correct measure. And we need to realize one thing, and we're not politicking here because I'm not looking for votes, either as a LSK or as a leader in the national leadership. I'm not looking for votes. I want to speak to you people. We need to be accountable. And Judge Maureen, when you go back, and my colleagues, designate judges, when you become judges, please realize this. If we don't make the correct decisions, we'll always blame ourselves. And I'm sure if within the Judicial Service Commission, there were just about 4 commissioners who are as firm as is Justice David Kenani Maraga, all of you will have been sworn in as judges. But what do you see them do? They come and say what is being done is not proper. Why would we, for instance, be initiating the recruitment of the Chief Justice when we have 41, now 41 minus judges who have been in limbo for the last 1 year, not being sworn? I feel sad because whenever I come out to speak on matters of this kind, I'm told, and often by some of our colleagues, many senior advocates, they say that your approach is not rational. What rational approach can there be to the swearing in of judges? It is simple as that. Similarly, when we speak about these things, members of the public and even members of the judiciary don't see the propriety of what we are saying. And I want to say here, on behalf of the Law Society, I don't think it is proper for us to start the recruitment of the Chief Justice unless and until these 40 judges are sworn in. It's as simple as that. Because the Constitution must count for something. If it doesn't, it will be for nothing. So as we lay Harry here today, it is important that we also consider, because Harry's time is gone. What can we do to ensure that what he labored for to become an advocate, what he labored for to become a judge, does not go to waste in future? We need to take firm positions on the bench and on the bar. My plea is, we are not recruiting a Chief Justice unless and until these 40 judges are sworn in. And I want you members of the public, when Uhuru Kenyatta and Raila Odinga come here to tell you things about amendments to the Constitution, you ask them, what have you done about the swearing in of the 40 judges? Because the 40 judges are there to maintain the fabric of good order in the society. We cannot progress unless this issue is resolved. That is my plea for you. That will be the most befitting send-off for our late learned friend and our late Judge Designate Harry. May I pray God to give the family strength to go through this mourning period. And my plea with you, my colleagues, lawyers and members of the bench, to ensure that we look up and take care of the needs of those who have been left behind. Thank you. May God bless you abundantly. Master of Ceremony.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We are short of time, and we apologize for anybody who would have wanted to pay the tribute and have not been given the opportunity. I have Kisi Council, but before Kisi